This is my trusty X-Acto blade, and I've owned this since the mid to late 90s, and I've built an awful lot of stuff with it. The problem is that it doesn't hold the blade anymore because the plastic is starting to get worn out on the end. And since this is my favorite X-Acto knife cutting tool, I can't let it go. So let's see if we can modify it. My name is Eric Strebel. I'm an industrial designer. Welcome to my channel about product design and making. I hope that you like, enjoy, and become a subscriber. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and then you hit the bell again, so you get the little parentheses around it. That way you'll be notified every time I have a new video. I happen to have some 3/8 copper tubing hanging out from the compressor build. Let's cut some of that off and see if we can use that as a new tube. I sand it flat, and the one end is swedged in a little bit, and so I need to drill that opening a little bit. So I use a drill bit here. It's a metric drill bit, and dang, doesn't fit. Let me get one that's about a 1/2 millimeter bigger and drill that out. That should work. Okay, let's try this. Notice I'm wearing gloves. Don't try this without gloves. You could seriously slice your fingers open or your hand open. Alright, that worked pretty good. Now we're just going to clean off the little burrs. I'm going to use a little Scotch-Brite pad. You could use some emery cloth or some sandpaper or whatever. This is what I had laying around. So I take the burrs off the one end, and I'm going to clean up the other end as well. Not super necessary. I have a little deburring tool here, and I just deburr the inside of that tube. Not absolutely necessary, but I just like to make things nice and clean. I'm a big Boba Fett fan, so I'm not going to put any finish on the copper tubing. Yes, I know it's going to patina and it's going to change over time, which I really kind of like. You could certainly put a clear on the tube to keep the copper from changing color over time, but I happen to like that, so I'm just going to leave it. And I got myself a brand new X-Acto blade. A little steampunk going on there, I think, too, huh? Works awesome. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can click on the little icon on the bottom right of the screen to do that. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. Rock on. Click here to watch some of the other design and making videos that I have. If you'd like to have your music featured in one of my videos, drop me a line.